Welcome to Tips for Clips. Today I'll show you a quick but very effective grooming hack for your sideburns and beard that'll make you look really sharp with very minimal effort. Here are the Tips for Clips clippers. This is called the closed position, which cuts shorter, and this is called the open position, which cuts longer. Also notice that these clippers give you more control because of the notches that are on the lever. I have no clips or guards on, and I put it in the long or opened lever position. And I'm just going about half an inch or 3/4 of an inch. Now I'm going to put the half guard on, closed lever setting. And I'm going to go just about half an inch above that and half an inch under that. This is going to cause me to fade the sideburns into the longer hair on top and into my beard. And I still have the half clip on, and I opened the lever. I put it in the long position, and I'm going another about half an inch up on either side. Now I took the half clip off, put on the number 1 clip, 3 millimeters, in the short position, and I'll go another about 1/4 an inch up, and you see it's already starting to blend really nicely. A quick and easy hack, almost makes it look like you got a full haircut. Now I open the lever, still with the number 1 guard. I'm going to go a little higher, and now I'm starting to press lightly. On the beard you can press hard, but as you go up, you press lightly. Number 2 here, in the open position, and now I just want to blend into the longest hair. Here, as I go up, I go out, press lightly. On the beard, you can press not as lightly. And just like that, it looks like I got a full haircut on that side, and now I'll start the other side. Here is no guards, open lever. Here is the half guard, closed. Then I open it up, long lever position. Go up about 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to go down about 1/4 of an inch. You see already the sideburns are fading into the beard nicely. Number 1, closed. Another 1/4 inch up. And 1/4 inch, half an inch down. Open it up, long lever position. I go up. Nothing to it, really simple. Go slowly if it's your first time. Here's the number 2, opened. And I'm just blending into the longest hair on top. Notice as I go up, I go out, because I want it to fade and blend nicely. Now this upcoming step, which is going to be touch-ups, is where it matters that you buy yourself a good and reliable set of clippers that has a lever on the side, and this clipper in particular has notches. I pushed it just 1 notch here so I could get a little bit shorter than what I started with, so I can fade much more cleanly and smoothly, and you see the difference that makes. It's a perfectly smooth transition. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just a notch up. And if you don't have notches on your clippers, you could just put it midway point. And I'm just touching up and making it more smooth. Here are the trimmers that come along with the kit. The Tips for Clips clipper and trimmer kit. And I'm just going to fast forward here. You can shape up however you like. This is how I prefer, but it does make a difference. Go around the ears as well because there's a T-edge on the trimmers. One side done, do the same thing on the other side. I've made the links for these products available below. You can buy them separately, just the trimmer kit, just the clipper kit, or the combination trimmer and clipper kit. It's important to invest in a good set. These are affordable but high quality. And the best part about it is if you just give yourself 2 haircuts, you've already recouped the value. Once you go on to your 3rd haircut, you are saving money every time thereafter. Believe it or not, I've been cutting hair for more than 20 years now, and those clippers that I was using previously to fade the sides are hands down the best clippers I've ever used. And I've used Andes, I've used Walls, I've used all different kinds of clippers. I guarantee the quality of those clippers. And these trimmers here are especially nice because they don't tug. Notice how I do the top of the mustache here. Usually, even with any other trimmers that I use, it tugs on my mustache, and here it's nice to know that it's a tug-free type of cut. And now you can see the finished product. Really simple, but we've come a long way in just a few minutes. Instead of just a quick shave, you can do a quick fade on the sides and it yields a much cleaner, better, more polished product. Many thanks to all those who have been supporting this channel. Please continue to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I will see you at the next video.